Hello, my name is Brenda Jacobson, and this is my final presentation for my calculator app project. The purpose of the calculator app I designed is to help keeping track of baby feedings. I came up with this idea because it is something I will actually use today, so I thought that will help me to come up with the right features to meet the needs of the user. The goals for this app were that it has to have a simple design that it's easy to use and navigate through and doesn't feel overwhelming. The app focuses only on keeping track of baby feedings, makes it easy for the user to go back and see baby's past feedings and baby's progress. Every screen fulfills a purpose and need. It helps users establish a good and healthy feeding schedule for their babies. I initially started the design progress by creating wireframes for 4 different screens: a welcome screen, a home screen, a feeding screen, and a calendar screen. Then I proceeded to run 5 usability tests that led to the final design. These images show how the design progress looked like after each usability test. By the end of all the usability tests, my app felt finally completed and ready to use with 6 different screens. This is the welcome screen, and this is where users log in with their account or where they sign up for the first time. This is the home screen, and this is its icon. The home screen is where users can start timing a feeding by pressing the start button and stop a feeding by pressing the end feeding button. These actions will automatically record the exact time the baby started a feeding and the time baby finished eating. All the feedings will be recorded and ready to look at in the feeding screen, which can be accessed through this list icon. In this screen, the user can see all the feedings that have been recorded during the day, what times they took place, how often, how long baby ate, and at the end of the screen, there's a summary with the most important calculations for the user's convenience. The calendar screen that can be accessed through the calendar icon. It is where users can select any day and look at the feedings that took place that day. This action will take them to the feeding screen with the information of the selected date. Under the profile icon, the user can access to the baby's profile screen, where he can enter baby's basic information to make the feeding tracking more accurate. And finally, the last screen is the feeding guide screen, where the user has a feeding reference based on experts' recommendations to compare it to its baby's feedings. In conclusion, I'm happy with the final design. I think it achieved all the goals I wanted to meet for this project, and I for sure wouldn't have been able to get my final design without conducting all the usability tests. They really helped me to see parts that I was missing, and they improved the functionality of the app. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.